Hello, hello Aquarius Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for June 9 to 15. So Aquarius, kunin mo lang yung makaresonate ka ha and leave the rest. Yung pong ibang impormasyon ay para po sa ibang Aquarius yun. Kaya relax ka lang, enjoy our reading, and use your intuition para makuha mo yung akmang messages na kaloob sa iyo ng ating spirit guide sa iyong reading for today. So Aquarius, thank you again for all of your generosity and kindness po every time na hindi po kayo nag-skip ng ads, and for your donations. Thank you again for your love and support dito po sa James Tarot PH every time na meron po tayong reading for Aquarius. So Aquarius, thank you again for not skipping the ads. So, ano naghihintay sa inyo ngayong June 9 to 15? Inhale and exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Knight of Cups. Wow, an offer this week. In the area of what you want, you have the Eight of Cups. Lovely, lovely. In the area of what you need, you have the, wow, Three of Cups, card of celebration. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Nine of Swords. Interesting. In the area of your near future, wow, you have a Ten of Swords. Beautiful. In the area of your challenge this week, meron kang Queen of Wands. In the area of your fortune, meron kang Four of Swords. Beautiful. In the area of your divine advice, meron kang the Moon card. At ang outcome mo this week, pag-usapan natin later, sabay-sabay natin bubuksan kung ano man yan. Mabubulaga tayo pare-pareho at masusurpresa kung anong yung outcome sa dulo ng linggong ito. But first, bago natin basahin in comprehensive and detailed mode ang bawat card, ano muna yung lingering energy mo para sa linggong ito, Aquarius. Okay, you have the Hierophant. Okay, this time, Aquarius, your spirit guides are calling you to really level up and use your knowledge. Ang ngayon na pagkakataon for you this week to acquire additional information o gabay from some people na makakatulong sa iyo para mas malawak yung pangunawa mo sa isang bagay o para mas maintindihan mo pa yung tatahakin mong opportunity this week. Okay? Dito sabi ni Spirit Guides na parang you need to get out of your comfort zone, get out of your nakasanayan na standard things. Ngayon parang kailangan mo talagang palawakin yung mga mauunawaan mo so that you can have a full grasp of anything, especially here with the offer card na parang meron kang panghahawakan this time o yayakapin na bagong bagay. Kaya kailangan talaga palawakin mo yung isip. Okay? Because nire-require ka ng Spirit Guides to be committed on something new na darating sa buhay mo. Ngayon, kailangan ipamalas mo na you are the best candidate for this, that you are the, hindi sila nagkamali sa pagpili sa'yo, that you are the best person to get that job, to get that position, to get that blessing sa buhay mo, no? But your spirit guides also is telling you that you are blessed this week, okay? The Hierophant is a card of blessing. So kung ano man daw pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, kung ano yung mga paparating sa buhay mo ngayon, know that that is a God-given blessing for you this week. Okay? Gabay ka niya, protektado ka niya, and that ngayon malapit na malapit ka sa kanya, and what's coming for you is something beautiful, especially here with the Three of Cups here and the Four of Swords here. Nakita ko rin dito, Aquarius, that you have to panghawakan yung iyong mga values, yung iyong mga filosofiya sa buhay, kung ano yung pinapaniwalaan mo. I always use this example when it comes to Hierophant bilang core energy na parang kung halimbawa sa opisina, ikaw lang yung hindi umiinom because meron kang paninindigan about not drinking or not smoking. And then your boss or your co-workers are giving you peer pressure na parang, uy, uminom ka naman, makisama ka naman. Pero ikaw pinanghawakan mo pa rin, ay hindi kasi ako umiinom. So parang mga ganong bagay, ganong klaseng mga filosofiya, ganong paninindigan about your wisdom, about your values, na parang hindi siya mababali o hindi ka mag-give in based on other people. Parang pinapanindigan mo yung mga bagay na pinanghawakan mo sa buhay. So ito yung pagkakataon para ipamalas yun, para gawin yun, because I'm hearing you're gonna enter a new opportunity, especially here in your core. You have the Knight of Cups telling you papasokin kang bagong bagay, an offer from someone that you will accept, okay? Because commitment ang hinahangad sa iyo at hinihingi sa iyo ng Spirit Guides mo this week. Commitment, paninindigan. Nagagawin mo yung consistent work, consistent effort, consistent time, giving your all, giving your best, okay? Napakaganda ng iyong background energy. The blessing is yours with the Hierophant here, okay? So pag-usapan natin ang iyong major arcana, pag-usapan natin ang iyong spread, ilan ang iyong major arcana? You only have two major arcanas. You have the Moon card and the Hierophant, meaning ito yung pinakamalaking energy and frequency na maka-apekto sa buhay mo this week, okay? With the Moon card and Hierophant, sinasabi dito kahit hindi ka sure, Kahit magulo, kahit parang ang dami mong questions, kaya ko ba to, magagawa ko ba yan, am I doing enough, am I deserving of this, ano dapat kong gawin, teka hindi ko alam, ano gagawin ko, hindi pa ako handa. Every questions in your mind, kung ano man ang mga mangyayari at hindi ka sure, pag meron kang commitment, meron kang paninindigan and consistency at handa mong yakapin yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin, makakaya mo lagpasan kahit hindi ka ganun ka-sure. Okay? You will figure out the answers and the way out of this. Magkatagumpay ka pa rin basta meron kang paninindigan sa isang bagay. You are willing to acquire new knowledge. Like I've said kanina, parang kailangan mong mag-research o maghanap ng taong makakatulong sa'yo, a mentor, a teacher, a guidance or a supervisor or someone expert sa pupuntahan mo, na pag meron kang hindi alam, tanong mo lang sa kanya. Kapag meron kang hindi ka naintindihan, kailangan mo makinig at kailangan mo i-grasp. Para kang sponge ngayon na lahat ng tubig ay masisip-sip mo. Ganon din yun. Parang yung tubig ay yung knowledge. So you have to learn a lot and for you to really get to that state na alam mo na yung mga dapat mong gawin. Okay? Learn so that you will know the secrets sa mga bagay na gagawin mo. Okay? So, paunang mensahe yan sa'yo ng yung spirit guides for the week. So, pag-usapan natin in detail mode, kada card. At the center, you have the Knight of Cups here. Knight of Cups is telling you na parang, okay, time na para matanggap mo naman tong blessing na to. A new offer is gonna come to you. Pwedeng offer of love or offer of a new opportunity, a new job. Marami sa inyo naghihintay ngayon ng bagong trabaho o lilipat na from one job to the other, or change of career, change of business, or change of direction. Nakita ko yung paggalaw, pag-abante, paglipat. Okay? So ngayon parang handa ka nang yumakap o handa ka nang tumanggap ng mga bagong offer sa buhay mo. Ngayon, nakikita mo yung possibility of embracing that and doing that. And ready ka naman to commit ready ka naman to do it because may blessing ka nga this time. So I'm hearing also, this is an answered prayer. Parang matagal mo minanifest tong direction na ito sa buhay mo. Parang yung kumpanyang yan, gusto ko sana matanggap ko yan, sana makuha ko dyan, o sana ibigay sa akin yan. So an offer of a new opportunity will come to you. And ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay kumilos at saka ipakita yung consistency that you are the best candidate to accept this offer. Okay? The Knight of Cups being clarified by the Ten of Swords. Dalawang beses lumabas ang 10 here in your spread. The 10 of Swords and another 10 of Swords. Meaning 10-10 is an end of a cycle. Padulo na yun. 10 na yun. Yun yung ultimate. Dulo na siya. So dulo na ng paghihirap. Dulo na ng cycle. You're ending a life cycle in your timeline today, in this week, and you're now entering a new chapter of your life. Meaning, meron ka na talagang iiwanan na mga lumang bagay o lumang sitwasyon, lumang pagkakataon, lumang trabaho. Like I've said, malinaw sa isip ko kanina, at saka naramdaman ko talaga yung mililipatan ka, meron kang tatanggapin na bago, channeling or transferring or traveling into something new and something better. With the appearance of 10-10 here, talagang mag-open ka ng bagong chapter sa life mo, closing a past one. Okay? So ngayon, yakapin mo daw tong offer na to because it will elevate your life. Aquarius. Ito yung magpapakawala sa iyo sa kalugmukan, sa dusa, sa problema, sa pag-struggle, So parang rurok na lahat na naranasan mo, no? Baka natanggal ka sa trabaho o kaya na-lay off ka o you went from a very toxic and talagang mahirap na sitwasyon. Ngayon, parang you just want to change your life for the better. Gusto mo nang bumangon, ayaw mo nang nakahilata dito o ayaw mo nang dinaramdam yung pain and sorrow and rejections and disappointments. Ngayon, with this offer coming to you, parang nakatadhana talaga itong maganap sa'yo this week. So, i-accept mo to. I'm hearing na wag mo nang indahin o dapat hindi makaharang sa new offer yung mga naranasan mo in the past. Make sure that you're gonna full commit to this and aralin mong mabuti para hindi masayang itong offer na to for you. Okay? Aquarius, in the area of what you want, you have the 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups, talagang naman, balak mo talagang umalis. Meron ka nang gustong iwanan. Especially here, na-realize mo talagang rurok na, ayoko na. Pagod na ako with the 10 of Swords. Gusto mo nang baguhin ang buhay mo for the better. You have done a lot. You have given your all. Na-extract mo na, nabigay mo na lahat, napiga mo na, pero wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin nagbago. Hindi pa rin umayos. Hindi pa rin umunlad. So ngayon, handa ka nang iwan yun because you realize that you need to leave something behind in order for you to get something new, to grow, and to achieve something better na matagal mo na dapat makuha. And now, you're ready to commit to this, sa pag-alis, sa pag-iwan, sa paglayo. I know na baka mahirap because naging malapit na rin sa'yo yung mga taong yon sa workforce mo, o kaya sa family mo, nahihirapan kang iwan yung family mo. But you need to get out, you need to move, you need to be brave this time para ma-provide din sa kanila yung pangangailangan nila. Kaya siguro handa kang umalis, handa kang lumayo, handa kang to conquer new things that are unfamiliar. Ang kwento ni 8 of Cups, hindi na siya kontento sa mga to. sa mga cups na to. Kaya aalis na siya, aakyat siya ng bundok, pero hindi niya alam kung saan siya patungo. Pero malakas ang loob niya to try and chase new things. Because alam niya sa dako paroon, nandun yung mga bagong kapalaran na naghihintay sa kanya. So parang ito, sinasabi niya, hindi ka man ganun ka-sure, hindi ka man ganun kasigurado sa pupuntahan mo, pero ito yung tawag ang damdamin mo na gawin. So malakas ang intuition mo this time around, Aquarius, to really move and chase things, and committed ka, handa kang ilaban ito at gawin yung kaya mo para makuha lang siya. Okay? The Eight of Cups being clarified by the Six of Wands. Yes. Gagawin mo lahat para lumayo, para umiwas, because ang nasa isip mo is to make a victorious move. Parang sawang-sawa ka na sa paulit-ulit na nangyari before, kaya ready ka na to close a chapter. Ready ka na to close that cycle sa buhay mo na paulit-ulit na nangyari. There's no progress there. There's no paggalaw. Paulit-ulit ka nagpa-fail doon, o kaya parang feeling mo stagnant ka na doon, hindi na umaabante o hindi na sapat yung ginagawa mo doon in your life moving forward. So ngayon, ang nasa isip mo is to grow, to have a money of your own, to succeed, makuha yung permanent job, makaland on a better position in life. Kaya handa kang umalis sa bagay na iiwanan mo in your past, and now you're ready to conquer something, because I'm hearing there are a lot of people looking at you, tinitignan kung saan pa to pupunta, bakit ang daming niyang nire-risk this time, bakit parang marami siyang nilalaban o marami siyang gustong gawin na kakaiba. Maraming tumitingin sa'yo not because they want you to succeed, but others are looking at you because they want you to fail, or they want to have a front row seat sa buhay mo kapag hindi ka nagtagumpay, no? So maraming tao nakatingin sa'yo, Aquarius, and now added pressure siya sa'yo. Pero nakita ko na parang hindi mo na iniinda, parang okay na, sige, kung anong sabihin nyo, wala na akong pakialam, I'm chasing the things for myself at magkatagumpay ako. Yan ang nasa isip mo. Hahabulin ko yung gusto ko because magkatagumpay ako. That's very, very motivating para sa'yo. At saka fuel yun, add a dedication and fire sa puso mo na gawin because alam mo magkatagumpay ka sa gagawin mo na ito. Congratulations. In the area of what you need, you have the Three of Cups telling you na celebrate life. Okay? Ito ang pagkakataon for you to relax, enjoy. Okay? May papasukin kang bago with the offer here, with the Knight of Cups here, may tatanggapin kang bagong endeavor. Ito yung tatapos sa problema. Pero kasabay nun, marami ka rin kailangang asikasuhin, marami kang kailangang pag-aralan, marami kang kailangang buhisiin, and putting your whole effort. Kasi parang meron ka talagang dapat i-prove sa bagong offer na ito. Na parang, okay, karapat-dapat ako dito, hindi ako pwede mag-fail. Ganyan, marami talagang added pressure in your part that you need to really perform well. Yan. Kailangan mo daw mag-perform well. Kaya added pressure yun sa'yo. Pero sabi ni Spirit Guides, you need to celebrate. You need to relax. You need to enjoy. I'm hearing na sa pupuntahan mo, dapat daw makisama ka with the group there. Learn to embrace new friends, new colleagues, new people in your life na makaka-jive mo, makaka-rapport mo well. So ngayon yung pagkakataon na you embrace new people in your life na magiging swak kayo, makakatulong sa'yo in achieving what you want. Okay? Nakita ko rin dito na every small detail, every small wins sa pag-abante mo, paghakbang mo moving forward, celebrate your wins. Kahit gaano kaliit yan, kahit gaano kalaki, every victory is still a victory. So make sure that you celebrate your life. Don't put pressure too much on yourself na parang kayod ka lang ng kayod, super seryoso mo at hindi ka na nag-enjoy. Sometimes, super seriousness will lead you to burnout. Madidetach ka na rin sa goal mo pag ganyan. So make sure, enjoy every success. Enjoy every moment and learn to have new connections. Treasure them as friends and sila yung makatulong sa'yo moving forward. Okay? The Three of Cups being clarified by the Knight of Wands. Yes, like I've said, these people will give you the initial push or that additional tulong sa buhay mo. Kaya kung saan ka man pupunta ngayon, kung kakaroon ka ng bagong offer and going somewhere else, going to a new company, new industry, or new place, so medyo mangangapa ka dyan, mag-a-adjust ka pa. Pero I'm seeing na kailangan mo daw makahanap ng mga right people in that area. Na talaga mang swak kayo, friends, solid colleagues, ganyan. So ngayon, they will give you the initial push and they will, parang sila yung magiging support group mo para lalo mo mailaban yung mga bagay na ilaban mo, because Knight of Wands is all about you having the fire, having the motivation and dedication na talagang ilaban yung mga bagay na gusto mo at makamit yung mga bagay na gusto mo makamit kahit ano pang sabihin ng ibang tao sa paligid mo. You have the courage, you have the confidence na gawin yon. Pero kaakibat nun, kailangan daw talaga ng support group. People that are there for you, to support you, guide you, embrace you, to applaud you kapag nagtagumpay ka o kahit anumang gawin mo sa buhay mo. They are the people na pagkukunan mo ng enough energy moving forward. Pwedeng family members or close friends na talaga namang genuine na nandyan for you, okay? They are the people na pagkukunan mo ng lakas and motivation to go on and continue. Okay, Aquarius? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords, all about your fears. Okay, may fear ka ngayon, especially sa bagong offer na to. I'm hearing you're afraid of failing. You're afraid na baka hindi mapatunayan nila na ay sayang, dahil pala hindi siya kinuha natin. Ayaw mong mangyari yon. Ayaw mo mag-fall short sa performance mo. You want to give it your all. To the point na masyado ka na nag-overthink. Masyado mo nang inaaral, masyado mo nang binabasa, every small detail, kaya tuloy parang na-maximize mo yung dapat hindi mo binibigang buhay. Ano eh? So ngayon, you're thinking too much of your bills also, of your responsibility. This added pressure, lalo na kapag may papasokin kang bago sa buhay mo, the people around you, no, umaasa sa'yo, talagang nakatutok sa'yo to be good or to do better because parang sa'yo din nakasalalay ang lahat, no? So make sure na i-tone down mo yung pressure sa'yo. Aralin mo daw ito, Aquarius, to tone down the pressure, tone down the worries, and also overthinking because that will never help you, okay? The overthinking, the worries at saka yung mga paulit-ulit mong negative things na tinuturo sa sarili mo, hindi makakatulong sa'yo moving forward. It will not make you productive, okay? Lalo ka lang panghinaan, lalo lang maapektuhan ng trabaho mo and your performance mo. Make sure to just embrace this. Embrace the new beginning. Be committed pero enjoy the process. Like I said here with the Three of Cups. Enjoy the process. Enjoy the goal. Enjoy the journey. At huwag mong masyadong isipin yung resulta or your performance mo. Huwag mong masyadong bantayan yung development mo o yung performance mo nga, like I've said, because hindi na ikaw ang humahawak nun, ibang tao na yun. So kung ano man isipin nila, bahala sila, basta ikaw gagawin mo lang yung makakaya mo so that you can also make time for other concerns like your family, your job, your bills. Bigyan mo lang siya ng karampatang atensyon without you overthinking too much. And lalo, parang isip mo lang daw ang kalaban mo this time, Aquarius. Okay? So make sure na find time to relax, enjoy life, get out, walk, maglakad-lakad ka daw somewhere so that lumipad-lipad ang isip mo, ma-relax ka para magkaroon ka ng detachment from your worries. Okay? The Nine of Swords being clarified by the Moon card. Yes. Ngayon, like I said, marami kang questions, marami kang worries. Dalawang beses lumabas ang moon, marami kang mga bagay na iniisip mo kung enough ba ako dito, para sa akin ba to, maraming questions because you don't know kung ano yung patutunguhan, hindi mo alam kung tama ba yung gagawin mo o enough na ba yung preparation mo in doing so. But I'm seeing here that if you could just trust yourself, if you could just trust God and your process and your skills, malalagpasan mo lahat ng worry na ito. I'm hearing talaga nasa isip mo lang siya eh. And your worries are not in your reality. Hindi siya mangyayari, hindi siya magaganap. Kaya huwag ka na mag-worry on things na hindi naman mangyayari. So enough of negative thinking, enough of self-limiting thoughts, and also mga bagay na parang analysis paralysis. Yung parang kakaisip mo, hindi ka na makakilos. Kakaisip mo, hindi ka na makahanap ng tamang solusyon. So make sure na it-tone down mo yung mga negative thinking mo. It's not gonna help you, I promise you. Lalong hindi mo mahanap yung answer sa questions sa sobrang pag-iisip mo, okay? In the area of your near future, you have the Ten of Swords. I'm seeing here, you are blessed at makakawala ka na sa na to, paghihirap na to. Dinaanan mo na you accepted the offer, you're on the adjustment period, paunti-unti ka ba lang bumabangon, and then boom, in the near future, totally makakabangon ka na. Mawawala ka na dito sa Ten of Swords era na ito na parang dapang-dapa ka na o parang feeling mo you've been backstabbed by people, maraming mga tao nang loko sa'yo, nang iwan sa'yo, o kaya pinaikot ka, o kaya nilinlang ka with your money or with your trust, ganyan. So, parang ang dami mong trust issues. Aquarius, kaya siguro ang dami mong worries, ang dami mong alinlangan with a lot of things because people failed you in the past. Ngayon, sabi ni Spirit Guides, magkakaroon ka na ng kalakasan na bumangon ka na, a new start, new beginning, panahon na para ma-realize mo na anything in the past won't happen again. Pero dapat daw natuto ka na sa mga pinagdaanan mo. You know na kung ano yung mga dapat iwasan, sino yung mga dapat iwasan, ano yung dapat gawin moving forward. And guard yourself daw. That's what I'm hearing. Guard yourself, protect yourself, and be closer to God. Be closer to your spiritual power because binangon ka niya to have a new start, a new beginning. So make sure have a closer relationship to your spiritual power, to your spiritual realm, so that patuloy ka makabangon at makawala na sa trauma and experiences na ito. Okay? The Ten of Swords being clarified by the Emperor. Yes, you have the ability, you have the courage na the enough power para makawala dito. Bumangon ka daw sa sarili mo. Ikaw lang din daw magbabangon sa sarili mo, Aquarius. Ikaw lang din ang makakagawa ng paraan para makawala ka dyan sa hawlan ng paghihirap na yan. Okay? Maging wise ka daw this time. Like I've said kanina, yung mga pinagdaanan mo, alam mo na kung sino dapat iwasan, sino dapat hindi nabigyan ng pansin, kung ano yung mga sitwasyon na hindi mo na dapat gawin para hindi maulit. So ngayon, parang wise ka na in every step. Pinag-iisipan mo munang mabuti. You are now a doer. Kung kailangang actionan, na-actionan agad. But you know how to be open to other people's opinion, other people's advice para matimbang mo in every step moving forward. Okay, ngayon, like I've said, si Emperor dito, ito daw ang dapat mong i-empower in your life in the near future. Wala nang takot, wala nang kaba, wais ka na, at very, very, madiskarte ka na in the near future. And you know now what to do, okay? That is your near future. Napakaganda. Very empowering for you because I'm hearing that you're gonna be awakened. Magigising ka na sa katotohanan in your life. Na ito na yung gagawin ko, ito na yung pagtutuunan ko ng pansin away from other things. Because too much pain ang nabigay sa'yo, too much scars. Nakita kami scars at unti-unti ka naghihilom from that. Pero magiging gabay mo yon moving forward and you now know what to do in the near future, okay? In the area of your challenge this week, June 9 to 15, you have the Queen of Wands. Trust yourself, okay? Ito yung pagkakataon para pagkatiwalaan mo yung sarili mo, pagkatiwalaan mo yung skills mo. No doubt, ito yung self-love, self-care, Aquarius, okay? Kung hindi ka nagkitiwala sa sarili mo, paano pa magkitiwala yung iba sa'yo? Kung hindi ka confident kumilos at hindi ka confident magsalita, paano sila maniniwala sa sinasabi mo? Paano nila pagkakatiwalaan yung binibenta mo? Halimbawa, if you're in the era or you're in the industry of selling products or client-based ang iyong trabaho, ang iyong negosyo, paano sila mako-convince? Paano mo sila mapapersuade kung ikaw mismo ay walang confidence in how you speak, in how you act, in how you sell products? So make sure i-embody mo daw this week ang yung self-esteem, self-confidence, trust in the beauty of everything. Pagkatiwalaan mo yung skills mo that you are the best, that when you walk into a room, ikaw yung best candidate there. Everyone is seeing you in your best potential, ganyan. Always see the beauty in everything. Be positive lagi at huwag kang nega. Wag mo daw lagi maliitin ang sarili mo. Dapat ikaw daw mismo ang nag-aangat sa sarili mo. Okay, Aquarius, make sure this week trust yourself, trust your self-esteem, self-confidence that you are the best in your area, in your industry, in your work, in your life, okay? I'm hearing self-love. Bigyan mo daw ng kalakasan at pagmamahal, additional pagmamahal ng sarili mo, okay? Doon daw mag-uugat yung confidence, okay? Queen of Wands is being clarified by the Queen of Pentacles, yes. Two queens here telling you that kaya mo to. Okay? You have the skills and you have the talent to get what you want. Queen of Pentacles is acquiring resources, acquiring money. Plenty of abundance in your life. Makukuha mo lang daw to kung may confidence ka. Kung kaya mong tumayo sa sarili mong paa, kaya mong lumakad sa kwartong maraming tao na hindi ka naiilang, hindi ka nanliliit, hindi ka natatakot. Kung kaya mong gawin yon, kaya mong i-conquer kahit ano. Kaya mong lagpasan kahit ano because you trust yourself too much and you have the confidence to conquer anything at makukuha mo lahat ng resources and abundance na gusto mo sa buhay mo. Okay? Kung gusto mo mag-apply sa trabaho, makukuha mo yung trabahong yun kung confident ka at kaya mong i-present ang sarili mo in the best way possible. Okay, Aquarius? Your confidence, your trust to yourself will make a difference. Okay? In the area of your fortune, you have the Four of Swords here. Now, this week, you will have a relaxation. Pahinga, I'm seeing someone having a vacation or may mag-i-invite sa'yo for a beach vacation or reunion. Relaxation, mag-gimmick kayo. Kahit simple pagpunta sa mall or pagpunta sa park or may sa bahay mo kahit mag-isa ka lang, enjoying Netflix, watching movie, watching TV, any form of relaxation ay makukuha mo this week because ito yung pagkakataon sa'yo to recharge and have a lot of plenty time na makapagpahinga ka din. Ano? Hindi lahat sugod na sugod. I know you need to commit with a lot of things. Kailangan mag-commit sa bagong simula na ito pero kaakibat noon yung tamang pag-recharge because your body is your puhunan. Your body is your magagamit mo for sa mga bagay na abundant in your life. So, make sure you also cultivate and protect yourself. Protect your body, protect your mental health. Now is the right time to really find time to relax, to enjoy things. Okay? So, ngayon parang makakahinga ka na malawag. Okay? That is the message. Makakahinga ka na malawag. You will get what you want. makakawala ka na sa stagnancy na ito, sa problem na ito with a 10-10 here, telling you closing a chapter and now you're starting over and everything will work out just fine, okay? Makakinga ka na ng maluwag. Everything is working out in your favor, okay? Blessed ka ngayon. May basbas ka, so congratulations. I'm hearing also there will be an answered prayer this week because Four of Swords also a card of answered prayer. Meron kang dinasal, ang tabayanan mo this week, may katuparan dyan sa mga prayers mo na yan. Congratulations. Four of Swords being clarified by the Five of Cups. Yes. Ngayon, talagang makapagpahinga ka na ng maluwag. Mayroon ng relaxation o parang paggaan ng kalooban because you're now gonna realize na tapos na yung past. Because the Five of Cups is all about learning to accept what happened and now handa ka nang tanggapin yung life mo now moving forward. Parang ngayon na-reconcile mo na sa puso't isip mo na tapos na yun, nangyari na yun, lahat ng disappointments, heartaches, pain, mga pangarap na hindi natupad, mga goals na walang pinatunguhan, mga pinangarap mo na walang nangyari o mga pag-ibig o relasyon na nag-end sa life mo. So, tapos na yung worry mo doon, tapos na yung pagkimkim mo doon, handa ka nang kalimutan lahat ng yun at i-accept sa sarili mo na tapos na yun and now may kapayapaan na sa puso mo and now you're ready to move forward and chase new things. Pero ang paghinga na talaga, paggaan ng kalooban. So congratulations Aquarius. Makukuha mo na yan this week. In the area of your divine advice, you have the Moon card. Like I said kanina, sa initial message ko sa'yo, na parang it's time for you to really chase things even if you don't understand. Okay? May nabasa kong quote, parang there's a lot of power with doing things even if there's a lot of unknown in your life. In the middle of something that is so unsure, magkakaroon ka doon ng kapangyarihan and power doon na pangahawakan mo moving forward. It's a polishing of your skills, polishing of your spiritual power. Yung pananalig sa Diyos, pananalig sa sarili mong kakayanan, pananalig sa sarili mo na kaya mong lagpasan kahit ano. Kahit hindi mo nauunawaan yung mangyayari o hindi mo nauunawaan yung proseso o yung journey. Even if you're questioning also yourself, kung bakit ko ba ito ginawa? Bakit ba ito ang pinasok kong trabaho? Bakit ba ito yung pinasok kong dream? Bakit ba ito yung ginawa ko? Hindi sana hindi ako nahihirapan ngayon. Kapag daw naunawaan mo na, okay, kailangan ko itong lagpasan, kailangan ko itong daanan because this is so fulfilling for you. And you need to understand that you are blessed right now. So kahit nahihirapan ka, kaya mo itong lagpasan. I'm hearing, madali lang to, kakayanin mo to. And sometimes, you're gonna say to yourself, okay, buti pala dinaanan ko yun. Okay, buti pala hindi ako sumuko because the good results await for me. So ngayon, parang you just have to calm yourself, relax, enjoy every process and just go. I-tread mo tong daan na to and huwag kang hihinto, daanan mo lang siya and commit to this, okay? The Moon card's being clarified by the Four of Pentacles. Yes. Ngayon, panghawakan mo na lang sa sarili mo kung ano yung mga bagay na makakamit mo at the end of this. Okay? Yes, the journey is tough. The journey is rough. At may mga bagay na unsure. Pero kung may pinanghawakan ka, okay, para sa pamilya ko to. Para makabili ako ng bahay. Para mapag-aral ko yung mga anak ko. Para matayo ko na yung bahay na gusto kong itayo. Para mabili ko na yung gusto kong bilhin. So, panghawakan mo yung financial stability na pinapangarap mo. So that makalagpas ka sa journey na ito. Okay? The vision of the goal. The vision of what you want to achieve. Yun ang kailangan mong panghawakan para kahit nahihirapan ka, magko-commit ka pa rin. Kahit pagod ka, kahit wala kang tulog, kahit wala kang pahinga, ilalaban mo siya because naniniwala ka dun sa financial stability na pinapangarap mo sa goal na ito. Okay? Yung outcome mo na very intriguing, ano kaya yan? Pag-usapan natin later. But first, let's have additional messages from the Divine. Ano yung karagdagan nilang payo sa'yo na dapat malaman this week, okay? First, you have teardrops, great personal sorrow. So may mga bagay ka daw, personal sorrow, especially here with the Five of Cups na parang, okay, ngayon makakawala ka na doon. Especially here also with the Ten of Swords and another Ten of Swords. Talaga namang lugmok, bagsak, kumunoy, you're so hurt, you're so heartbroken, pero ngayon makabangon ka na. The great personal sorrow here is telling yung talagang marami kang pinagdaanan in the past, okay? Another message of Spear, heartache over what you no longer have. Yes, Five of Cups talaga to. Heartaches over what you no longer have. Mga regret, pain, sorrow na parang iniisip mo pa rin paulit-ulit yung mga bagay na wala na sa'yo. Yung mga pinanghawakan mo na hindi mo na makukuha before. Na parang ngayon, maungunawaan mo na, okay, time na to leave that behind. Okay na yun. Siguro nga hindi ko siya nakuha because I have a redirection. God is redirecting my life into something better, into something good, into something bigger na hindi ko inaasahang makukuha ko. Okay? So ngayon parang magkaroon ka daw ng kapayapaan sa puso mo na okay na yun, yung mga heartaches in the past, hindi mo siya nakuha because meron kang redirection. Okay? Another message, you have April. Baka importante sa inyo ang buwan ng Abril o baka may mga ganap sa inyo magandang bagay sa buwan na yan. Okay? Another message, you have dog far away. A distant friend is thinking of you. O meron ka daw kaibigan na malayo sa iyo ngayon ang iniisip ka at inaalala ka. So baka for sure meron kang tao na magka-come up sa isip mo ngayon. Sino yun? Malayong friend na iniisip ka ngayon at inaalala ka. Tawagan mo na siya, okay? Another message, you have bell announcement. Oh, meron daw announcement this week na kailangan mo abangan. So congratulations. Pauna pa lang. I'm hearing that will give you a beautiful, beautiful week para sa linggong ito, okay? An announcement that will make you so happy. Another message, dalawa to, you have weeping willow, family sorrow, and shark, take care of or there will be a loss of material wealth. Ngayon daw, pagkaingatan mo ang iyong mga gamit o yung mga personal na belongings, your money, at yung pagkakataon for you to really watch out and look out for the things na pinapahalagahan mo, especially for your family. Ngayon parang kinakailangan ka daw nila, Aquarius, okay? They need your guidance, they need your help, they need your assurance also. And kailangan pagkaingatan yung mga pag-aari mo, Aquarius, this week, okay? Another message, you have needle and thread, a sincere wish will be granted. Yes. Like I said here, meron kang answered prayer, a sincere wish daw ay matutupad this week. Congratulations. Another message, we have fair woman, dealings or relationship with a woman with blonde, gray, or white hair. Babaeng mistisa sa buhay mo o kaya nanay mo na puti na ang buhok o lola mo. Ito daw babaeng kailangan mong kausapin because baka may concern sa kanya o kailangan kang ayusin with the relationship or anything that concerns with this woman. Okay? Another message, you have apple, temptation will test you. Like I said, meron daw nagka-test sa buhay mo this week. Okay? So, kailangan mo itong lagpasan, kailangan mo itong pagtagumpayan. Okay? Itong area na kailangan pag-focusan this whole week, Aquarius, you have guilt. I release any beliefs that no longer assist in my soul's journey or soul's growth. Ngayon daw, parang alisin mo na yung mga regrets. Like I said, regret, mga guilty, mga paninisi mo sa sarili mo, yung mga paulit-ulit pumapasok sa isip mo na parang sana ganito, sana ganyan, dapat hindi ko ginawa yun, dapat hindi ko ginawa yung ganito, ganyan, sana wala ako sa sitwasyong ganito. So ngayon, alisin mo daw sa sarili mo yun, alisin mo na sa isip at puso mo yun na nangyari na ang nangyari, wala ka na magagawa doon. You've did your part and you need to forgive yourself in what happened. And now, time na para bumangon ka with a 10-10 here. Time na para bumangon and conquer new things and commit to new things because you are blessed. You're given a new way, new life. Okay? Ang outcome mo, pag-usapan natin, 1, 2, 3, you have, wow, 6 of Pentacles. I'm hearing now, you'll be able to have a life kung saan mabibigay mo na yung mga pangangailangan ng family mo. Mabibigay mo na yung, I'm hearing you're gonna have a money from a past job or past endeavor na parang ngayon mo na siya makukuha. Pwede rin from a retirement money or papers, documents na kompleto na yan. Mabibigay na sa'yo yung pera mo. Here I'm seeing na kung ano yung binigay mo babalik sa'yo. It's a time of reciprocation. Kung dati may pinautang ka, ayan, may magbabayad na daw sa'yo this week, okay? For some, ngayon magiging clear na sa isip mo kung kanino mo dapat ilaan ng pera, oras, atensyon, money mo, pati effort mo. Ngayon parang it's a time for you to really balance things out. Kanino dapat ibigay yung mga bagay na precious sa'yo. Parang ngayon kikilalanin mo na yung mga taong karapat-dapat ng mga worthy things from you. Ay hindi ka na basta-basta open kahit kanino. Hindi ka na basta-basta available kahit kanino. Ngayon kikilalanin mo na kung sino yung karapat-dapat lang na pagbigyan ng yung worth, time, money, pera, and effort from you. No? Ngayon nakita ko na wise ka na. And alam mo na kung sino mahalaga, alam mo na kung ano yung mahalaga sa buhay mo na dapat mong paglaanan lang ng atensyon. Especially now, nangangailangan to ng commitment from your part. And for others, I'm seeing here na magkakaroon ka talaga ng pera in the end of the week na parang magagamit mo to para sa sarili mo and also for other people na ma-share mo siya for others or for your family members at meron ka pang matatabi for yourself. Okay? The 6 of Pentacles being clarified by the 3 of Cups. Yes, celebration. Wow. Like I've said, meron ka talaga makukuha ang pera this week. Parang pera to from a past job o parang perang nabinbin na parang ang tagal mo na dapat nakuha pero ngayon makukuha mo na siya. And mag-celebrate kayo with your family kasi yes, parang ganun. Yes, nandito na yung pera natin, makukuha na natin. Tanggap mo na ngayon, may magbabayad na sa'yo. O kaya yung papers kompleto na makukuha mo na yung pera mo from those retirement plan o parang lump sum or parang pera na mayapa mong asawa. Ngayon makukuha mo na yan at mag-celebrate ka with your family and friends. Parang yes, buti naman nakuha ko na. Ito na yung pera ko for myself. And now, you're gonna use that moving forward. Okay, Aquarius? Wow, that is your June 9 to 15 reading. Sa pagka nakaresonate, sa pagka nakarelate, comment down below na reading your messages. Thank you again for watching. This has been James for James Sarah PH. God bless everybody.